I'm going to show you how to install an Accumulate node. The first thing to do is to visit the Accumulate Docker project page. You'll find the link in the description. Accumulate is a high-performance blockchain, so it's important that your servers adhere to the minimum specification. I have set up a new Linux server. Nothing yet is installed on it. I'm logged in for the very first time as root, and I'm going to copy and paste the installation instructions. So first we install the minimum packages required. The next thing we need to do is to clone the Accumulate Docker project. And then we go into the Accumulate Docker directory. As this is a fresh Ubuntu install, there is an install script that we can run to make the installation much quicker. And that script is in the scripts directory. What this does is it pulls in the latest version of Docker and Docker Compose. That's it, and now it's ready to run. So we just do run. So the first thing that you're provided with is a list of different templates, different types of node that we can install. We're interested in testnet today, so I'm going to press number 4. Next it's asking for which BVN number. I'm going to choose 0. Next we have the option to create and initialize a Docker node. So we press number 1. Now it's asking me which version that I want to run. I want to run the latest non-developed version, so that's number 2. That's pulling down the Docker image for us. Okay, so now we're offered the ability to start the node, which I will do by pressing 1. And that's it, it's running. It shows us the log output for a few seconds, and then it takes us back to our menu. We can go back to the log output at any time by pressing number 3, and there's the current console output. Nothing's changed as of yet. We can come out of that just by doing Control-C. That takes us back to the command line, and if we do run again, takes us back to the menu. So we can stop the node, we can restart the node and upgrade it if there was an update available. Number 4, attach to console. So if we press 4, that will take us into the Docker container, which contains the node software. So if I do a top, you'll see Accumulated is running as the main process. And if we exit from that, it takes us back to the menu. We can display the registration information, number 5. We can view how much disk usage there is, which is of course almost nothing at the moment. And we can stop the node by pressing 1. Takes a moment to stop. And we have the option there to start it back again if we want to. We've also got a new option on there called clean and delete, number 7, and that will actually wipe the node completely from the hard drive. It requires you to type in delete. Okay, that's now done, and that's taken us back to our bash command prompt. So we can go back to run at any time. Because everything's been deleted, we're effectively starting again now. So I'll reinstall the testnet, BVN number, create and initialize, select our version, and start. That's it. It's quite easy. Now if we do Control C to come out of this menu and check the directory, in networks there is an IP tables file, and if I edit that file, I think Nano's installed IP tables. Yep. So the IP tables script has a privilege section here where you can put in your trusted IP addresses, such as your office, or your home, or wherever it is that you regularly log in from. That will give you complete open access to your server. And if you come down to the accumulate section, you can specify which ports are open to the public. And that's it for this session.